First, select the network you wish to use. Then, enter your referral number to access the platform. If you do not have referral number, join our Telegram group and request one. Paste your referral number here and click join. Give it a few seconds and then select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Choose deposit amount and click deposit. When prompted, submit your first transaction. Wait for it to confirm. And then submit the second one to complete your deposit. Once processed, your deposit will be reflected in your available balance. That's it.